Hey there, fellow investors. Today, we're diving deep into actionable tips and strategies to help you not only survive but thrive in the dynamic world of stocks. So grab your notepad and let's get started. First things first, set clear goals and risk tolerance. Define your investment goals and understand your risk tolerance. Are you investing for short-term gains or long-term wealth accumulation? Knowing your objectives will guide your investment decisions and help you stay focused during market fluctuations. Next up, diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and asset classes to reduce risk. Remember the golden rule: don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you're hedging against potential losses, while maximizing your chances for growth. Next, do your homework and stay informed. Knowledge is power in the stock market. Take the time to research companies, analyze financial statements, and understand market trends. Stay updated with news and events that could impact your investments. Remember, informed decisions yield better results. Finally, stay disciplined and embrace volatility. Volatility is inevitable in the stock market, but it's not something to fear. Stay disciplined and stick to your investment strategy, especially during turbulent times. Market downturns present buying opportunities for savvy investors who remain calm and patient. And there you have it. Armed with these actionable tips and strategies, you're well equipped to navigate the stock market like a seasoned pro. Remember, investing is a journey, so stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. Subscribe, like, share, and leave your feedback on the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing!